Will you be the fire to my desire? Stay tuned. Changing it up a little bit, going ahead and putting something before the intro. Trying to up the quality of my videos. Got some new subscribers here since I was on a live stream with Ross. And I want to up the quality of my videos. Taking this unboxing knife, and we're going to unbox Paris Corners Fire Your Desire. All right. They packed this. This came from India. Shipping took forever. The package that I got, also from India, package that I got also from India, that one hasn't come yet. So I try to keep my videos a little bit short, under 2 to 3 minutes. This one's gonna be a little bit longer because it's an unboxing. But here we go. Ooh, the little tassel. Highly, highly recommended from Joy Amin. Ooh, I'm getting some booziness coming out of this packaging. As soon as I opened it, I was totally hit with the cognac. So this came highly recommended from Joy Amin, and spoken to Joy. Oh my God, Joy loves the Killian version of this, which I also have. Y'all saw me do the dance video with it and stuff. Got this little tassel here. That's what it's called, Joy. In the video, he said he forgot what it was called. It's called tassels. Paris Corner. I'm going to spray it. Let's see what it's like when it's atomized. Whoa. Try this one on skin. God. Holy crap. Atomizer leaked a little bit. That's alright, though. It's a cheap fragrance. If the Killian did that, I'd be pissed. A little bit weak. This is it, bro. This is it. This is so far. I'm going to wear this tomorrow. But so far, the initial scent profile. Well, let me go get my angel share. I got to do these back to back, bro. I got to test this out. I'm pretty familiar with this DNA. I haven't worn as much of it as it appears I have, because I've decanted a lot of this out. But we're going to put it up against this one. I may have done that video too soon. This may have to be the boo-boo. Okay. Get that opening again real quick. It's a little different. It's actually, so far initially, this is a little bit more boozy, actually. This is a little bit more boozy than the Killian. Got a little bit more spice in there. It's like cinnamon or something like that. It's got that same apple pie vibe. But honestly, like, no joke with this one, which I don't get with the Killian. Y'all ever walk past somebody that, like, they're obviously drunk? You smell it on their breath. This gives you that boozy hit that you get when you just walk past somebody who had entirely too much to drink. I'm going to have to I'm going to make this my scent of the night. All right. I'm just going to go with 3 right now. Because it's room filling. This is strong. This is my initial impressions on Paris Corner's Fire Your Desire from the Amir line. There's 2 others in this line. This is the only one I have. It's a 3.4 100 milliliter. It's an EDP concentration, and get this for about $40. We're gonna see. So even then, at this point, like, this is a 50 mil. This is a 100 mil, right? Obviously, it doesn't look like that much of a difference in size until you take off the cap. See how much smaller the Killian bottle is. But, like, and this has a smaller base, and it's a taller bottle. This, we're going to have to, and obviously, I wouldn't say pick it up by the cap, because I don't recommend that for anybody, but don't pick this up by the cap. It's a hefty cap. It's a hefty, hefty bottle, okay? Don't pick this up by the cap, because you just shouldn't do that anyway, later.